Let's go. Right, here we go now. Batman scoop on the mic, mixing the mix on the wheels of steel. This is what I was fucking born to do.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, thank you so much for joining me and welcome. And if you're not, welcome back. So today's video is just this fun, pretty, spring, dewy, just kind of healthy skin, you know, look. Spring is here and I am so excited because y'all, that means we're one step closer to warm weather. And here in New York, I am over the cold. I don't do the cold. I just, hibernation mode. But now I can start popping out. I can start getting ready for the heat. So I just wanted to do this super fun, pretty look. And can we get into the fact that I am not wearing any lashes? Girl, who am I? But I just kind of wanted to keep it pretty simple. Focus on the skin and the dewiness and all that good stuff. So if you guys would like to see how I got this look, please keep watching. But before we do, please be sure to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you've already subscribed, be sure to hit that bell notification so you guys don't miss out on any of my uploads. And without further ado, let's jump to this video. Alright, so first I'm taking my Huda Beauty primer and I'm just going to apply this all over my face. For my foundation, I'm taking the Elcie Micro Silque foundation, I believe, and I'm in the shade Honey. And I'm just going to buff this into my skin using my Sigma foundation brush. For my concealer, I'm taking the Lancome Concealer. I don't know how to pronounce it, y'all, but this is the concealer that I'm using. It's super thick. The shade that I have is a little bit on the dark side, so I actually went in with my Jouer Concealer in Honey to brighten it up a little bit. For my cream contour, I'm taking my Maybelline Superstay Stick Foundation and I'm just going to apply this on the perimeter of my face and just add some definition to my face because your girl was looking flat. Next, for my setting powder, I'm taking the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Banana Bread Powder and I'm just going to press this into my skin. For my bronzer, I'm going to be taking the ABH Bronzer Cappuccino and I'm just going to apply this to the perimeter of my face and then I'm going to take that same banana bread and use that to clean up that contour and make it sharp, girl. And I'm going to have this on for literally like 3 seconds and then I'm going to blend it away. For my blush, I am taking the Karity Blush Balm in Pale Pink and I'm just going to apply that to the apples of my cheeks. And then I'm going to take my ABH Sundipped Glow Kit and I'm just going to apply that to the high points of my face. I haven't used this glow kit in so long and I really forgot why I stopped. Like, do y'all see this glow? Next, I'm going to take that same Jouer Concealer and I'm going to use that to prime my eyelids. Next, I'm going to go into my Juvia's Place Festival palette. And I'm going to take this kind of peach shade and I'm going to pop that into my crease and just really blow that color out. And then I'm going to also take that underneath my lower lash line as well. And then I'm going to take this hot pink shade and I'm going to place that directly into my crease and then I'm going to follow up on top of that with this bright red eyeshadow from the Festival palette. Next, I'm going to be taking Ofala and Oro and I'm going to add that into my inner corner, but not like the normal inner corner. It's kind of like higher up. I saw Alyssa Ashley do this and I absolutely love it, so that's what I'm going to do. And then for my mascara, I am taking the Buxom mascara in Black is Black, and I am going to coat my bottom and top lashes, and I'm going to take my time, girl, because I did not go in with falsies. who am I? But I felt like the look looked really good without lashes, so yeah. And then I'm gonna go in with the Chroma Glow highlighter palette from Sigma, and I'm gonna take these 2 shades and apply them on top of my current highlighter just to add a little extra oomph and extra glow, because this is all about glowy skin and bright eyes. For my lips, I'm going to be taking my Cork Liner. Oh my gosh, this makeup looks so good, y'all. Sorry, I had a moment. And then I'm going to take my peachstock lipstick from MAC as well. And on top of that, I'm going to take my Buxom Lip Plumping Lip Stain in the color Smooch, and I'm going to place that right on top. You guys, this lip stain is amazing. Like, it smells so good. It has the perfect shine without like being too sticky. It's like perfect. And I'm going to finish off with my Soothing Facial Mist from Garnier. And that is it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I am obsessed with how this came out. You guys, I'm not wearing no lashes. Like, are you kidding me? I love this so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please be sure to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.